Wait a sec. I'm Trish again. Hey, that's great. I'm Austin again.
I'm just so glad everything's back to normal. I love you, Dad.
Bye, Mr. Dawson.
You know, I'm not entirely sure everything is back to normal.
We gotta get that typewriter back before Chuck makes us any worse.
How could it get any worse than switching bodies? Oh, hey, my voice is back. Woohoo! Chuck, we've come to get the typewriter back.
Take one more step and I'll turn you into a cactus.
Give us back the typewriter or I'm gonna make you regret it.
You'd never do anything to me. You find me irresistible.
Irresistible? I find you extremely adorable.
Copic!
What are you talking about, Trish? He's a
See
thief.
part 2.